Want to build a beautiful, fully responsive navigation menu that helps visitors find exactly what they need? Today, we will show you how to create a custom WordPress navigation menu using the ElementsKit Nav Menu widget. Before we start, make sure you have Elementor and ElementsKit installed. You will also need an existing menu created in your WordPress dashboard under Appearance and Menus. Once you have completed making your site menu, go to the page where you want to add the ElementsKit Nav menu. Not just that, you can also add this Nav menu widget within the ElementsKit Header Footer Builder module. Search for the Nav menu widget and drag the ElementsKit version into your header. Under Menu Settings, select your existing WordPress menu from the drop-down list. Then you can set the horizontal alignment of the nav menu. For the drop-down action, you can instantly customize the navigation experience by choosing a specific submenu indicator icon, like a line or filled arrow. Toggle the Enable One Page option to navigate within your existing page only. Just make sure you have dropped the right links targeting the sections you want to navigate on that page. Let's make it mobile-friendly. Set your responsive breakpoint to decide exactly when the menu collapses. Then, open the mobile menu settings to add a specific logo for smaller screens and completely customize your hamburger icon to match your brand. Time to perfect the design. Jump into the Style tab. From the menu wrapper, you can define the menu height and also style the background and set the padding. Expand the available submenu options to add elegant shadows or borders to your dropdowns. And that's it. Let's see it in action. Hit preview and test your header. You now have a custom, highly responsive navigation menu that looks incredible on both desktop and mobile screens. Provide your users with a fantastic navigation experience today. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Elementor guides, and we will see you in the next time.